this steering wheel tray I ordered off of AliExpress. I do a lot of boondocking, and I stay at a lot of Walmarts and truck stops and rest areas and you name it, Cracker Barrels, Cabela's, and go on and on. And I spend a lot of time sitting in the driver's seat. And not only me, but I see a lot of other RVers that just hang out in their driver's seat when they're parked at a truck stop or whatever. You could be waiting a bad storm or anything, waiting to get into a state park or a campsite, because that's almost all the time now. And there's just so many people doing this live stream. So anyway, it came today, so I'm gonna open it up. It's actually a little smaller than I thought, because you're seeing it and I'm seeing it at the same time. So let's see. What was that? Oh, okay, that was instruction. Okay, it's all in Chinese, but it does show the steering wheel has to be turned in a 180 to put it on. That's if you have the horn, in the middle right there. My steering wheel doesn't have that on the motorhome, so all I have to do is make sure my steering wheel is straight. But anyway, it has a cup holder, and it has this slot in it, like the old elementary school desk. Remember back in the 60s? I guess you could put a phone in it and stand the phone up. And it has these small little circles. I don't know what they're for. They're about the size of a $50. If anybody knows what those are for, just leave a comment and let me know. And then on the other side, it has a slot on the side. I guess you could put pencils and stuff in it. And then there's an indentation here. I guess maybe that's for a laptop cord or something like that. I really don't know, because it doesn't tell you. And it also has those little bitty circles. So I don't know if those are just in the mold or what. But anyway, you can take the one with the cup holders and I guess you just stick it under the steering wheel like this and put it down. And that's pretty strong. I mean, it's not going nowhere. And take your laptop, set your laptop on it, holds it no problem, and work with your laptop. I also have a CB, and instead of having to reach over here every time, so I'm hanging out at a truck stop or something, and yakking with the truckers, just killing time or whatever, I can set my CB on here, and I can also put my drink on here, and it'll take like a McDonald's hamburger and French fries and all that, no problem at all. And so yeah, for 13 bucks I paid for it out the door. It was $8 and the tax, and yeah, it's a game changer for me, really. I can sit in my driver's seat and I don't have to reach over, because I used to have to put stuff on the dash and slip off and everything, and pain in the butt. And so yeah, this is going to work out great. And so if you have any ideas on how to make any improvements on it or whatever, leave a comment. I mean, it is what it is. So but anyway, appreciate you watching, and hope this helps somebody out. It's a game changer for my RV, I know that. I'm going to get a lot of use out of this, and if something goes wrong with it, I'll be sure and let you guys know. So stay tuned for the next video.